Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Hummer H2 Plus concept emerges as a bold reimagining of classic American muscle and rugged off-road prowess, melding innovative design with the heritage of the Hummer legacy. Designed for those who seek adventure with a touch of refined elegance. This concept car boasts an exterior that evolves step by step from its commanding front grille with aggressive LED accents to robust, sculpted body panels and flared wheel arches that exude strength and durability. Its pros include an unmistakable presence and superior off-road capability, while its size may limit maneuverability in congested urban settings. Inside, the cabin offers a continuous flow of luxury and technology. Premium leather seats and refined finishes harmonize with a state-of-the-art digital dashboard that provides intuitive access to vital performance data. Advantages here are exceptional comfort and connectivity, although the minimalist layout may challenge those accustomed to conventional interfaces. Under the hood, a high-torque engine paired with an advanced suspension system delivers exhilarating acceleration and a maximum speed that stands tall among its rivals. Even as fuel efficiency remains a trade-off. Priced competitively to attract discerning buyers aged 40 and above. The H2 Plus concept competes favorably with the Land Rover Defender and Jeep Wrangler by blending brute strength with modern innovation. Enhanced by Farida-tuned performance settings, the ride is dynamic yet controlled, ensuring stability on both rugged trails and open highways. In summary, the 2025 Hummer H2 Plus concept is a masterful synthesis of heritage, cutting-edge technology, and rugged capability that appeals to die-hard enthusiasts and older drivers alike, offering an unrivaled blend of reliability, luxury, and off-road adventure.